हेलो एवरीवन। आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे नेक्स्ट यानी कि थर्ड लेक्चर ऑफ साइंस जीके में। यहाँ हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अबाउट 30 क्वेश्चंस जो आपकी नॉलेज को और इंक्रीज करेगा। स्टार्ट करेंगे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। व्हाट इज द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी? ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी इज वन ऑफ द 7th एसआई यूनिट। आंसर बी इज द राइट आंसर। कैंजिला कमेंट करके हमें बताएं 7 एसआई यूनिट्स कौन कौन सी हैं। Moving to second question, which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer B is the right answer. Barometer. Altimeter is used to measure the altitude of an object above a fixed level, typically sea level or ground level, such as used in aircraft or by sky drivers. Third question, Newton's first law of motion is also known as. आंसर इज बी, लॉ ऑफ इनर्शिया। तो आप हमें कमेंट करके बताएंगे न्यूटन्स के तीनों लॉ। व्हाट आर द लॉ ऑफ मोशन? न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशंस। ओके। फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, विच मिरर इज यूज्ड एज अ रियर व्यू मिरर इन व्हीकल? वाहनों में पीछे का दृश्य देखने के लिए किस दर्पण का उपयोग किया जाता है? द राइट आंसर इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर, बिकॉज as it allows the driver to see a larger area behind them, provides a wide field of view. Fifth question, the working principle of a transformer is based on. When we talk about principle of a transformer, it is based on Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. But when we talk about working principle, answer B is the right answer, that is mutual induction. Seventh question, the Curie point in the temperature at which a metal loses its magnetic properties. Right? Curie point or a Curie temperature is the specific temperature at which material lost their permanent ferromagnetic property and become paramagnetic. Right? C is the right answer. Next question, which color of light deviates the most during dispersion through prism? The right answer is B, violet, as it has the shortest wavelength and lowest speed within the glass prism compared to other colors. Ninth question, the energy of the sun is produced by which process? The right answer is B, nuclear fusion. The energy of sun is produced by nuclear fusion process. 10th question, the escape velocity of earth is approximately. The right answer is B, 11.2 km per second. Moving to the next question, which is the hardest natural substance on earth? We have discussed it in earlier video. The right answer is C, diamond. What is the common name of calcium hypochlorite? CaClO का whole twice. What is this? Calcium hypochlorite का सामान्य नाम क्या है? Answer B is the right answer, bleaching powder. Also referred to as chlorinated lime, calcium chloride, or simply chlorine powder. 13th question, which gas is usually filled in electric bulb? That is primarily argon or a mixture of argon and nitrogen. Answer C is the right answer. The question states, what is the pH value of pure water? बताया था 7। नीचे की तरफ आएंगे तो हमें एसिड मिलेगा और ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे तो हमें बेस मिलेगा, राइट। और प्योर वाटर का कितना होता है 7। विच मेटल इज फाउंड इन लिक्विड स्टेट एट रूम टेम्परेचर? कमरे के तापमान पर कौन सी धातु द्रव अवस्था में पाई जाती है? मरकरी इज द राइट आंसर। मेटल की जगह अगर हम नॉन मेटल की बात करते हैं, द आंसर विल बी ब्रोमाइन। विच एलिमेंट इज कॉल्ड और इज नोन एज द किंग ऑफ केमिकल्स? Answer C is the right answer, sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is the right answer. 17th question, what is the primary component of natural gas? The answer A is the right answer, methane, CH4, which is typically makes up 70% to 90% of its volume. Next question, which isotope of carbon is used in determining the age of fossils? The right answer is C14. A radioactive isotope This process is known as radiocarbon dating. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ विनेगर इज, सिरके का रासायनिक सूत्र क्या है? एसिटिक एसिड. आंसर बी इज द राइट आंसर, एसिटिक एसिड. फर्दर क्वेश्चन आस्क विच स्टेट is used to make the lead of pencil. As the pencil lead is formed by a mixture of graphite and clay, because graphite is soft, simply texture, leaves a clear black mark on paper, while clay acts as a binder to determine the hardness of the pencil tip. Answer C is the right answer, graphite. And clay also. 21st question, which organ is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Which organ? Answer B is the right answer, mitochondria. Because they generate most of the cell's supply of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Next question, which part of the human body produces insulin? मानव शरीर का कौन सा भाग इंसुलिन का उत्पादन करता है? C is the right answer, pancreas. 23rd question state, BCG vaccine is used to protect against which disease? BCG टीके का उपयोग किस बीमारी से बचाव के लिए किया जाता है? BCG means Bacilli, Calamity, Guerin. B is the right answer, tuberculosis, a serious infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. 24th question state, what is the largest organ in the human body? Human body, मानव शरीर का सबसे बड़ा अंग कौन सा है? You all agree with this answer, that is C, skin. अगर हम smallest organ की बात करते हैं in the human body, the answer will be pineal gland. Next question, the red color of human blood is due to? The answer is most similar. Answer B is the right answer, hemoglobin, the red color of human blood. Next question, which vitamin is synthesized in the presence of sunlight? Answer D is the right answer, vitamin D. Specifically, vitamin D3 can also be said, as it produced in the human body when sun hits the skin. What is the scientific name of human being? मानव का वैज्ञानिक नाम क्या है? Homo sapiens. B is the right answer. 28th question state, which gland is known as the master gland of the human body? मानव शरीर के किस ग्रंथि को मास्टर ग्रंथि के रूप में जाना जाता है? आंसर बी इज द राइट आंसर, पिट्यूटरी, because it controls the functions of several other endocrine glands in the body. Second last question, which component of blood helps in clotting? The right answer is platelets. Moving to the last question, flowers emit fragrances primarily to? फूल मुख्य रूप से सुगंध क्यों छोड़ते हैं? This is the right answer, attract insects for pollination, or to attract pollinators such as insect, birds and bats, which helps them reproduce. तो इसी के साथ हमारा ये लेक्चर होता है समाप्त. मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.